You're watching how to log out from Instagram on iPhone. Open the Instagram app and ensure you are logged into the account you want to log out of. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Settings menu. Tap Logout. It is in a different section, often with a red logout button. If you have multiple accounts added, Instagram will ask which account you want to log out of. Select the specific account. Confirm by tapping Logout again. You will be immediately logged out and return to the Instagram login screen. To log out of all accounts at once, go to Settings and Privacy. Accounts center personal details, account ownership, and control deactivation or deletion. But for simple logout, the first method works. If you want to remove the account from the device entirely, not just log out, go to Settings and Privacy. Accounts center profiles. Select the profile, tap Logout or Remove, then choose Remove from this device. This will delete the account from your iPhone's Instagram app. Remember your password to log back in. Logging out is useful for security or switching accounts. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.